Nakatakda ng simulan sa 2022 ang konstruksyon ng Bataan-Cavite Interlink Bridge Project o kilala din sa tawag na Manila Bay Bridge. Ito ang inilahad ng mga kinatawan ng Department of Public Works and Highways sa pamumuno ni Central Office Project Manager Teresita Bauzon sa kanilang pulong kay Bataan Governor Albert Garcia at Mariveles Mayor Jocelyn P. Castañeda. Ngayon po ay pakinggan natin si Governor Albert Garcia ng Bataan.
We are very excited about this project. Isa po siya sa build project ng ating Pangulo. It will be the longest bridge in the country and one of the longest in the world. Hindi po siya yung magiging pinakamahaba pero isa po siya sa magiging pinakamahaba. 32 kilometers connecting Bataan and Cavite, Region 3 and Region 4, plus of course yung Region 4 connected po siya sa NCR. So pag yan po yung mangyari, magkakaroon po ng alternative route going north and south of Luzon. So palagi po sinasabi ng ating presidente na over-congested na po yung Metro Manila, and may mga study po that we are losing so many billions a day because of the inefficiencies brought about by the traffic and congestion happening in Metro Manila, especially before the pandemic. So with this bridge, Bataan will be the next center in the whole island of Luzon. So pwede kaming alternate route. We will help decongest Metro Manila. And in addition to that, it will bring growth and development to the province of Bataan and to Region 3. So we are very excited about this project at nagpapasalamat po kami sa DPWH, sa DOF, sa ating Pangulo, kay President Duterte at sa ADB na malapit na pong simulan itong project na ito. And moving out of the pandemic, it will not only impact the province of Bataan, Central Luzon, Calabar Zone, but also NCR. So ito po yung 3 of the fastest growing regions in the country. Malaki po ang magiging impact nito sa ekonomiya. In fact, sinasabi ni Secretary Mark, the former Secretary of DPWH, among all the build projects, ito po yung may pinaka